You need to use this tool in order to find these topics that no one else is doing. So you're struggling to find topics in your niche that you can create videos on. Well, what if I told you YouTube has been giving you them for free this whole time, but you just haven't paid attention to it? So we're going to dive into that today in this video. I'm going to show you how you can find topics for upcoming videos. Number one, that people are searching for, but number two, also videos that people are browsing for on the homepage. And the crazy thing is, it's all already there on YouTube. You actually need to go into your analytics, which is where we're going to go right now. You can do this on your phone. You can also do this on the desktop. Either place will have this, and it is the perfect way for you to find topics in your niche right now. So let's dive into the dashboard. So we're going to dive into our analytics right here. And first thing I want you to notice, we're not looking at any of these numbers. We don't care about that. What we're going to look up is right here where it says overview, content, audience, and what's this? Inspiration. I wonder where we're going to find these topics from. Oh, let me click on this tab. First, put in the comments if you even knew that this was a thing. I stumbled across this not from anyone telling me, but just me kind of doing my own research and me seeing that, wow, what is this? I've never even heard of the inspiration tab. So we're going to click on this tab. Oh my gosh, look at this. Get ideas for your next video. Wow. It's almost like YouTube is doing it for free to help you create videos. Okay, so we're going to dive into it. All right, there is a couple different ways you're going to be using this little tool that is inside of YouTube to find videos to find topics for your videos. Now, yes, you can go to the search, which we are going to get to the search in a second. Before we do that, already YouTube's going to take the content that they think you are creating for which niche you are in, and it's going to give you the popular ones or what's getting popular right now, things people are talking about that you could potentially make a video on. So let's just look in that for us. Ours is all about video content, so you're going to see a lot of video content, editing, that kind of stuff. So right here, photo video maker with music. Best money earning apps for students. How to create a second YouTube channel in 2024. How to learn long answer in short time. Okay, so there's different types of questions here. Now you can hit show all. If you hit show all, it's going to give you, these are the top ones that are getting popular, meaning people are searching these up right now, and they're doing pretty good on YouTube. Okay, so vlog, video, lifestyle, day in the life of an American, blah, blah, blah. All right, new videos to inspire you. These are videos that have been recently posted that are doing pretty good, that are in our niche, that we can get ideas from. That people have already done. So stop just making YouTube videos, Google's $2 trillion business model, start a profitable YouTube channel, stop wasting your time. All right, these kinds of things. Again, you can hit show all. It's going to show you all the ones relative to ours. As you can see, there's a lot of Think Media in there, Robert Benjamin as well, some editing stuff over here. So again, more ways you can get ideas. Okay, now we're going to start narrowing it down a little bit. What people are looking for. Okay, so this is what's top searched right now in your niche that YouTube thinks your niche is. So we're going to click on that. How to vlog your life, how to get better quality streaming on YouTube, how to make money streaming on YouTube, how to check your... If you notice, a lot of how-tos. People are still searching up how-tos. Now, this is more search-based, but people are searching up the how-tos. Okay, so how to make tips and tricks videos for YouTube, all that kind of stuff. Awesome. Related to money. See, it even gave you a sub niche, and this one's related to money. It has all these. All right, make a short. These are all shorts that people are looking at if you want to make a short. Related to Think Media, so now it's even getting to people in your niche, so competitors that you're going against or other channels, right? And it's giving you ideas from theirs, right? So here's some of the best stuff that's going on for them. And again, a lot of Think Media. Search is related to video. So now it's going literally off of a search term. So the search term is video. Now it's going to give you what is related to that that's being searched up. How to edit unlisted videos. How to start YouTube channel full course. How YouTube streaming works. Okay. All of this. Related to YouTube Studio. Okay. And you can just keep going and going. Okay. So this is the last part. It did the third one. Upload, right? Now this is all great. Okay. This is good stuff. But it can get even better. So now let's use the search. Okay, let's just look up no editing, because that's getting really big, right? So I'm going to do no editing, right? Now, check this out. Okay, first we have your viewers interested in related topics the last 28 days. Editing. All right, so almost halfway people are interested in it. You can even use AI to create an outline of your video, which is insane. Another thing is it gives you similar ideas. As an experiment, similar ideas that's in your niche that might be around what you're searching up. Again, I think it's through AI, pretty sure. And yeah, you can refresh it to get different ideas. So right here, they're going to give you ideas. How to grow your YouTube channel fast. The best way to write a YouTube script without any whatever, blah, blah, blah. What people are watching. There's other people in your niche. They're watching these videos. So maybe start getting some inspiration from these videos. Top searches for this topic. Again, these are the top things that people are searching for. Now, this is the most important part. So please, if you're still here with the video, you're going to get the #1 tip right here to find the best videos that you need to be creating, all right? The best topics. So what you're going to do is you're going to go where it says top searches for this topic. You're going to go to show all. Now you got all of these, right? These are great. These are things you could do, okay? But I want you to notice something. None of the other tabs have, except for this one, content gaps. What a content gap is someone is searching this up. So a lot of people might be searching, maybe a whole, 1,000 people are searching up this one term or this one thing, and not enough results is coming up, meaning there's a content gap. There's not enough content for that search. So when you click on that, I'm going to do it, it's going to narrow it down, and it's going to give you videos that people haven't created yet or haven't created a lot of that people are actually searching for and in need of videos of. So watch. I'm going to hit content gaps. Trending video editing Instagram. How to make videos like full screen video editing, motivational video, no copyright. So these are things that there's not enough videos that have been posted on, that there's a content gap that you could dive into. And this is where you really need to focus and start getting your topics from these content gaps. So I can go through all of these to give you a bunch, right? And if you notice, they're just short little things. You can add this into your title, okay? So this isn't going to be your entire title, but you're going to add this in there because now you're going to get some SEO in there, which if you don't know what SEO is, search engine optimization. This is what people are searching for. If you go right into the search bar, you'll see underneath all those suggestions, that's what people are searching for. So some of these, again, you might have already seen these before. Like they might already have some views on it, but again, you got to make it to your own niche. Okay, so take this, put it in your own niche. So we're all about video, we're all about editing, all of that, right? One photo, video editing, development video, video editing love, apps video, Adobe Express video editor. Like that'd be a good one for us if we want to show about Adobe Express, right? Maybe there's a lot of things on that. Resolution video, video files, quality video, no playback video for the current day, install, all this kind of stuff, right? So now let's see, if I click on one, let's do trending video editing Instagram. I click on it. Now we're just going to keep diving deeper and getting more details on it, right? So your viewers' interest in related topics, okay? So Instagram editing and video editing. So they broke this down now into what people are looking for. So it's not super high demand. So I might want to pick a different one, but it's going to give me some similar ideas over here. It's going to give me ideas that are around this. So if people search this term up, this is probably what's going to be popping up for them. And then again, you can keep narrowing it down. Okay, so now, as you can tell, I'm on the Instagram part because Instagram was in it. So it's going to give me more stuff about Instagram. Instagram viral video editing tutorial. Click on this. Okay, and it's kind of getting looked up, whatever. It's going to give you some ideas here. It's going to give you this. We're going to go back to here. Boom. So now, let's see, show all. Again, I can content gap that. So I can keep going with the content gaps until I find something where it's getting searched up enough, but yet not enough people have made videos on that. Instagram trending photo video editing. So that is how you are going to find your next topics for your videos. The content gaps, most important. But if you're not using the inspiration tool, you are missing out on YouTube. You need to use this tool in order to find these topics that no one else is doing. And the crazy thing is, a lot of creators are gatekeeping because no one is sharing this information. Yes, you're still going to get ideas from other niches or other creators, but you also can redefine that right here in the inspiration tab. And again, you can just search up anything you want to look up. Hope this video helped. Hope this gave you some more ideas on some topics that you can create for your channel and for your videos. And if you want to see our content strategy on how we create content off of a live stream, go ahead and check that video out over here, and I'll see you there.